Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Since reaching an all-time high of $259.90 on November 6, Solana has been declining. It has been following a declining resistance line throughout the decline, which was most recently validated on March 2. Solana bulls may push price above $100 so far. The price has dropped to $75.35 on February 2. The subsequent bounce confirmed the $73 area as support. This is a horizontal support area as well as the 0.786 fib retracement support level. SOL is currently trading at a 66% decrease from its all-time high. Solana's price is on the verge of completing one of the most significant percentage decreases since its all-time high in November 2021. A descending triangle pattern may be seen in the price activity of Solana, SOL. The altcoin reversed course from the falling trendline, $105, on March 2, plunging to the $80 neckline. For more over a month, the purchasers have firmly guarded this support, preventing the sellers from extending any further losses. With an evening star pattern, the altcoin jumps off its $80 support today, letting traders to build up another comeback. Furthermore, when the coin price approaches the top of the bearish pattern, a significant breakout may be imminent. If Solana is to avoid a further value decline, it must rise to the waist on distributed ledgers that are similar to those used by cryptocurrencies. Banks and financial institutions will no longer be able to control money, financial commodities, or financial services under this system. Cryptocurrency is an excellent investment that every investor should consider adding to their portfolio. A foray into the realm of DeFi is the way to go if you want more control over your hard-earned cash. Terra, Luna, and Solana, SOL, are two of the industry's most well-known names, while Pac-Man Frog, PAC, and Aquasis Protocol, AX, have just begun their interesting pre-sales. The Pac-Man Frog, PAC pre-sale is already growing. The value of the DeFi cryptocurrency has surged by 30% in just 1 week. With almost 2 months left in the pre-sale, we can forecast that the coin's growth will be exponential. Similarly, Aquasis Protocol, AX, is taking a unique approach to DeFi and has already experienced substantial growth. Aquasis Protocol, AX, is a decentralized financial initiative platform that offers investors safe and risk-free crypto investments. On this site, users can take advantage of risk-free investments and no-fee services. Aquasis Protocol, AX, will allow customers to fund recurring services such as subscriptions or memberships by simply putting USDC tokens and receiving regular returns on them as a principal-protected payment mechanism, providing more options to diversify their crypto holdings, just like they would with any other asset class. Related, SEC could approve spot Bitcoin ETFs as early as 2023. Bloomberg analysts as previously reported by Cointelegraph. WisdomTree has been actively launching ETPs in Europe amid regulatory hurdles in the United States. In late 2021, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission rejected WisdomTree's spot Bitcoin ETF after delaying a decision on the product multiple times. The firm subsequently amended its spot BTC ETF filing, naming U.S. Bank as a custodian for its BTC trust. And second news today about institutional crypto funds. See largest capital inflows for 3 months. The data from CoinShares shows a weekly inflow of $193 million, with more than half of that figure going to Bitcoin alone. Solana is also getting attention and broke a record in the process. CoinShares data revealed on Tuesday that institutional investments into cryptocurrencies are at the highest levels in 3 months, a sharp rise from the previous week, which saw outflows of $47 million. The Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly Report revealed that investment products for digital assets saw total inflows of $193 million last week, a level not seen since early December 2021. The last time investment levels were near the current figure was in the week ending on December 3rd, which saw $184 million worth of inflows. The fund flows had a big focus on Bitcoin. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of 731